I'm back! Hey you guys, it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Danielle. I'm your girl now. Why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below? I would greatly appreciate it. And of course, if it's not your first time here, then you know my spiel. If you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos, like, why don't you go ahead and subscribe already? I know you want to subscribe. You keep coming back to my channel, watching my videos. You know you want to subscribe. You know where the subscribe button is, so just go ahead and hit it. So, hi, how are you guys doing? I hate doing formalities in the beginning of my video because, I don't know, it doesn't feel natural to me. But we gonna keep doing it because that's how people do shit, so, I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. You may or may not know that it's kind of been a hard time for me. I've been going through some depression, and my friend Erin has definitely been there for me. So, if you guys have seen my quarantine box unboxing, my friend Erin actually sent me that box to cheer me up, make me feel better. So, what I wanted to do today was I wanted to make her a box of sunshine because she told me that she's been kind of depressed too and going through a hard time. And I know that she loves giving gifts, so I want to give her something that makes her feel special. And I'm going to go drop it off to her today. And I'm so excited about it. I think it's so cute. And I'm just really excited to make her feel special, make her feel good. She so deserves it. And I thought you guys would like to be a part of something a little special with me today. So, I'm going to show you guys what I got from my box of sunshine. So here we got our box of sunshine. I was going to decorate it up real nice and pretty and paint like the insides of the box right here yellow. But I ran out of yellow paint because I also made her a painting, which I'll show you. Let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see. So I tried to fill the box up with yellow stuff, i.e. box of sunshine, because she just always makes me so happy. So I want to send her a box of sunshine to make her happy, right? So what we got in here, I don't know why this looks so bad. Like, I'm not sure why it looks like that, y'all. See, it looks better when I put it on that, though. Okay, anyway. So, yes, we're going to start off with the Twizzlers, because I know the Twizzlers are not yellow. But she told me that Twizzlers are her fave, so I just had to include Twizzlers in there. So, since she likes Twizzlers, I was like, okay, well, let's go with some Starburst, because that's yellow. I was like, well, if she likes Twizzlers, she must like Starburst, because it's kind of the same, like, gummy, chewy kind of thing. Yeah. So I was like, okay, let's do that. Then we got some lemon heads, some Funyuns. She did tell me that salt and vinegar chips are her favorite. So I'm going to go get her 2 bags of salt and vinegar chips, even though they're blue. That's okay, because the sky's blue, right? So it can go in the box of sunshine. I'm so OCD, I have to rationalize my shit. Then I got her a thing of body wash. It is Bright Sunshine with vitamin E. A yellow loofah. A cute little succulent plant. It's not real, but it's just cute, isn't it? Then I got her this Glam and Glow mask. This super cool, I also bought one of these for myself, but this super cool holographic peel-off mask. They had 3 different kinds of these at Walgreens. There was this balancing moonstone, and then they also had like an amethyst and a rose quartz, so I thought that was pretty cool. I bought myself one. So I got her that. And then I got her, these super cool sunscreen samples that I have. I have so many samples of things, I'm like, I'm never going to be able to use them all. So I got her this SPF sunscreen wipe, and then this Super Goop, which I know is really good. Then I gave her, it's falling out. This is my brand new unused Man Eye Sisters luminizing collection. It was kind of yellow, so I was like, let's put this in here. Give her some glowy stuff, make her feel good, you know. Then I got some bath bombs. And then we got some perfume and lotion, and I think she's really gonna like that scent. So the only thing I gotta pick up is some salt and vinegar chips. Oh, and some chocolate. I gotta get her some chocolate to go in the box. And then I'll be all done. So yeah, I know she's gonna watch this. She loves being mentioned on my YouTube channel. It makes her feel really special. So I wanted to do this video for her, and I wanted to drop her box off today. So maybe I'll do like a little clip where I drop the box off on her porch, because I want to surprise her. I don't want her to know. I want to drop it off and then be like, hey, you got something. So maybe I'll show you guys that. I also wanted to give her one of my hemp glosses. I think she's gonna like that. And my lemonade lip scrub. So I think she's gonna love her box. Oh, and then gotta put in the tissue paper to make it all nice and sunshiny. And this is the painting that I made her. She asked me for like a lake kind of landscape type of painting with 5 chairs, and I kind of made it my own because I love sunsets. So I was like, well, I want to paint a sunset on the lake, and then I gave her the 5 chairs. Listen, my duck swan, whatever the hell it is, like, it's a little big, yeah, I know, compared to the duck. I don't know, I messed it up and then had to keep going, and it got bigger, and yeah, so, but isn't it nice? I love it. I hope she likes it. I know she will. Okay, don't you love my mask? I know my ears look a little weird. I haven't adjusted these straps. But I'm a person who likes to wear a mask. Don't you like my no-face mask? It's so stylish. Corona, but make it fashion. I'm not someone who minds wearing a mask at all. Kind of like it. I don't know. So I went into the store and I got this almond vinegar chip. And then I also got, she said she likes chocolate with almonds and caramel. So I got a Milky Way Simply Caramel, Snickers almond, and then I got 2 classic Hershey's with almonds because they're the bomb. I also got this juicy fruit. So I was like, okay, let's go with that. Really, anything else? I think that's all. Oh, and this Sprite, because the box that she got me had a drink in it. So I'm like, oh, well, let's get her a drink. So I'm going to box this up, put the wrapping paper in it, and then I'm going to go. She has tutoring at 6, so I had to tell her that I was coming. So I'm just going to go and drop off the box and surprise her, and I'll probably film it so I can include it in the video. But yeah, I'm so excited. All right, let's go. I bring you a box of sunshine because you light up my life.
Oh, you're gonna make me cry.
And I made a video about it. Box drop off was a success. But however, I ate shit on her ramp. It was wet and slippery. Oh my god, I fucked up my hair. My dress is wet. Like, what happened to my eye? I don't know. I'm all fucked up now. Oh my god, I'm hurting. She was like, are you okay? Or no, yeah, I don't know. I was like, I'm okay. I'm okay. I said it like 5 times. I'm okay. She's like, you say you're okay, but your face does not convince me that you're okay. Oh, I ate shit on her fucking driveway. Like, my hand is gonna be bruised. Hold on. I can't really tell. It fucking hurts. Oh, I scraped my knee. Anyway, that's the conclusion to this video. Anyway, I'm really glad that you guys could be a part of something fun with me today. You know, I love these vlogging style videos where I can just, you know, talk and film and do whatever. I really hate like sitting down in front of the camera and trying to remember all these kind of bullet points to tell people about products and shit like that. So I really, really enjoy just vlogging and like doing stuff like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video too. If you do, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I guess until next time, I'll see you guys later. I love you.